This video is an addition to the videos on exporting models from Blender to various programs. In those videos, we export models from the zero coordinates, and now we will tell in detail how to do this. After opening the file, the scene structure will look as follows. Demo characters are located in the left part. In the right part, the asset table. We can either take a ready-made character from the demo scene or assemble our own from the asset table. To take a ready-made character from the demo scene, you need to select its rig. And then, using the key combination Alt-G, move it to zero coordinates. Next, animations must be assigned to this character. To do this, in the asset table, you need to find a rig of the same physique as our chosen character. I choose a character with the adult physique, which means the rig from which we will transfer animations is located right here. To transfer animations, first select the rig of our character. Then, by pressing Shift, select the adult rig from the asset table. Next, press the key combination Ctrl-L and choose Link Animation Data. Excellent! We have transferred the animations to our model. To look at the animations, select the rig. Then, nearby, open a new nonlinear animation window. Then, look for our selected model in the list. To move to it quickly, press the period on the numpad or enable only Show Selected. Open our rig, and we see the entire list of animations. Animations can be previewed by clicking on the star. You can select all animations using Box Select or by pressing the A key. If we need to assemble our own character from the asset table, first, hide all unnecessary collections in the outliner. Next, choose the physique we need and move its rig to zero coordinates using Alt-G. All models parented to it should move after it. Next, in order, select the assets we need. And with the key combination Alt-G, move them to zero coordinates. Hair, suit, face, body, or any other set of clothes. Then, select the assembled models and press the M key. New collection. A new collection will be created in the outliner. All other collections can be temporarily hidden. After that, select the rig and in the Data section, switch it to Pose Position. The character is ready.